6/13/20, doing a desktop recording for EVP research, running at 96,000 hertz, 64-bit wide. Originally it was 16,000, 32-bit wide. I called out to all the 5 souls that I talked to just starting out my evening. The first person to come back was Jackie's soul, saying Joe Passon. I'm going to play this at 0.03 speed. Then I'm going to highlight my voice so you can hear how slow it is from the difference in frequency increase. I'll speed it up so you can hear my words. Lower this. Stop this. Raise it slightly. You can hear the low bass slow motion. Speed it up. More. All made up with cousins, relatives, and extended family. Ed, Jackie, and Joe Whitmore. All made up with cousins, relatives, and extended family. And Jackie answered back, Joe Passon, right there.